Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this 5-key handcuff set from Amazon. Let me show you how they look. So yeah, these are basically the keys. Looks like they have 2 on one ring, and then this one on its own. Feel pretty good. Look cheap, but feel pretty good. I'm gonna go get my handcuffs so we can see if they actually work. Alright, so I got my handcuffs. And then, yeah, this is the original key right here. Smith & Wesson. And we're going to try to open them with one of these new keys here. It opens. So yeah, man, these are pretty good. Like $5 on Amazon. And yeah, think about getting them.